Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back again with yet another review video, and this time we have got with ourselves a smartwatch. We have got ourselves the Noise ColorFit Ultra 3 variant smartwatch, which was recently launched. So we are going to go ahead and look into this product. We are going to look into the review, how the product has been performing, what are the things that we are getting with this product. We are going to unbox it, and then we are going to look into the performance, and then I'll share the feedback whether you should go for this or not. Now guys, I have purchased this product from Amazon. This has costed me 3,199 rupees, and you will not be getting this product on Flipkart. On Flipkart you have a similar product known as the ColorFit Vision 3 with all the same features, same look, just the name of the product is different. Now you will get this product available on Noise website, Chroma, also you will online, and you will also get this product on Amazon. Now let us quickly go ahead and unbox this product and see what are the things that we are getting inside this product. Okay, so now as you can see guys, it's a sealed pack, so let us go ahead and unbox it. So over here you can see there are some normal things which are mentioned over here. Okay, normal noise, regular noise packaging guys. Okay, let us see what else we have got. Okay, so we have got a noise sticker, the stickers that we get, as you can see, the warranty card we have received, and a ColorFit Ultra 3 booklet, and basically the manual we have received on this guys. So let me take out the watch for you guys. So okay, so I went for the jet black metallic frame guys. Okay, so here is the watch, as you can see guys. The sponge in between is quite hard. For the first time I'm getting to see. Okay, let's see what else we have got. Okay, so we have got a manual. Okay, we have got one instrument, so we can use this to go ahead and manage the size of the chain of the wrist chain of the watch. You can make it smaller or bigger as per your choice, as per the size of your wrist. So this is the instrument they have provided, which is a good thing guys. Now they have also given a manual how to go ahead and use it. Now normal, so this is a normal, I believe, charger. Yes, so this watch is not a wired, doesn't come with a wireless charging. It does not support wireless charging, so I've given you a normal charging cable which they used to provide. This is how you open the watch guys. All you need to do is that you need to press this and the watch will come up. Let me tell you guys, this watch which we have got ourselves over here comes with a full 1.96 inch AMOLED display guys. It also supports always on display feature. This watch guys has also got a metallic finish to it. It comes with stainless metallic wrist chains, and you get the other variants also. You get a leather variant and a silicone strap variant also. Now this watch guys has got a IP68 rating, so you can wear this watch and go underwater for up to 1.5 meters, and you can stay there for over 30 minutes. The watch will do fine. You won't face any problem with it. By the way guys, this is also a watch from Noise, so this is Noise ColorFit 2. Now this watch guys, it is the company is claiming that the watch is going to give you a battery backup of over 7 days, and with Bluetooth calling you will be getting a battery backup of up to 2 days. Now the watch comes with a functional notch, as you can see over here. You can use the notch to go ahead and change the wallpapers. It also comes with a menu button over here. You can press it to activate the tracking options. Now there are 3 sensors at the back: SpO2 sensor, acrometer sensor, and also the heart rate sensor. Now let us quickly go ahead and unwrap the watch guys. Okay, I can see the bezels. Even if it's not on, I can still see the bezel, Yeah, it's a black metallic body over here, guys. Yeah, it's not looking bad. Now let me quickly go ahead and turn the watch on, guys, for you. Now as you can see, guys, the watch has turned on. It's asking us to pair it with the device, so let me just go ahead and pair it with the device. Now as you all know that Noise has its own application which is known as Noise Fit India. You can download the application from Google Store or from Play Store. So we will download the app and we will complete the setup. Let us quickly go ahead and complete the setup, and I will get back to you by showing you the specifications and the features of the watch, guys. Okay, so what are the features that we are getting? Let us go ahead and see. So this is the heart rate option. So you get a heart rate sensor over here through which you will be able to monitor your heart rate. This is a continuous feature. You can go ahead and monitor your heart rate continuously, guys. Next, with this we are also getting a feature known as the blood oxygen, which is the SpO2 check. The watch will also be able to check the SpO2 level that is there in your body, but I totally don't 100% recommend you to go by this. The data may be accurate, may not be. Next, we have a sleep monitoring option. If you are wearing the watch and you are sleeping, the watch will be able to give you certain details of your sleep, the duration, the type of sleep you had. Now after that, we also have something called a stress monitoring, which tells you the stress level. Now it will also mention over here whether your stress level is relaxed, normal or not. Now over here you can track your activities, you can set up the alarm, and all this is actually a brief of everything. Now what are the other features? See, these are the workout features: outdoor walking, training, outdoor running, cycling. These are the activities that you can do. So this watch will be automatically able to detect the type of activity that you're doing, and it will be able to set it up accordingly. Now when we swipe from bottom to up, we get the option. You can turn on the silent mode over here. Now this is the find my phone option. This is the DND mode option. Now you can increase or decrease the brightness. Now as you can see, increasing the brightness will reduce your battery performance. Now this is your power saving mode. Now once you go into settings, you can see the features. So what is the first feature? Wrist wake up. Open. So you can, the best part is you have the duration over here, when during what time to what time you want this feature to be there, or you want it completely off. You can set it up from here. So basically I'll show you what this feature is. So this is how your watch is. So if your watch is goes off, now once you turn it on like this, the watch will turn on. So basically this is the feature. Next is tap to wake up. So this feature comes with gesture, also gesture control. Like if I do this, see, the watch is off. If I do this, see, the watch is off. Now again, if I turn it on, the watch will turn on. Now the brightness level I already told you. Then the screen timeout option, you can select it manually between how long will the screen go off. You can go ahead and turn this as per your choice. You can also keep there is an always on display option also, which you can go with. So you have the always on display feature. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on from here. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off from here as well. Off screen dialer, if you are turning it on, what is the dialer you would like to see, you can choose from here as well. Now activation time, if you want it to be turned on throughout the day or at some time, that also you can select it from here. But always on display will consume a lot of battery, guys. Now the ringtone vibration is also there. You can select the vibration level. You can also put it on silent mode. Now the menu view, which view you want to do. You want it like this, the menu will change. I'll show you guys. This is one of the option. Or if you want it to be in a normal way, the list view, you can also go with that. See, so I actually like the grid view, so I will keep it to the grid view. Next, we have got auto sports mode detection on. I think it's a good feature. You can keep it on. So if you start walking, or if you're running, whatever you're doing, the data will be captured in your smartwatch accordingly. Now you have widget sorting. This is as per your choice. If you want to set up the widget, you can customize it. Next, you also get the device information, the QR code, and power reboot, power off, and reset button. Now coming into the other features. Now this is also the back button. This is, guys, let me tell you, this is a working crown. As you can see, you can go ahead and change the crown, the lock screen image with the crown. So this is a working crown, as I told you. Now coming up into the other features, guys, let us look into it. If you see, you have the noise health feature, the activity, heart rate, blood oxygen. There will be the breathe feature is also there. It will help you what if you want to meditate, if you want to do, or you can use it while you're meditating. This is also good feature. Now with that, now look at noise burst is a feature, guys. You can save up to 10 contacts on your watch. If you have saved any contacts, it will come over here. Call history, if you have made any calls from here, you will be able to make calls, guys. Just let me show you. This is the speaker and the microphone given over here. Call quality is not bad. Call quality is quite good, guys. I will make a call and I will give you the demo of that as well. Now you have the clock, the wall clock. You can activate it over here. You just need to open the app and you need to set it up from here. You have the alarm feature. Good that you can set it up from the watch itself. You don't need the smartwatch for it. The timer and also the stopwatch. Next is, guys, sports record. If you're running, swimming, anything you do, any record is being captured, you will be able to see it over here. Next is the workout, different workout modes, strength training and everything. You can check it from here. Music, you can control your music from here, guys. Once you give the permission, you will be able to manage the sound and the music from here. The watch faces, as I told you, there are different watch faces which you can select as per your choice, guys. Now if you look into the watch, guys, the watch has very less bezels, but the bezels towards the end are not totally cylindrical. It's a bit bulging inward towards the screen, so which they could have made it symmetrical, but if you're using a black color backdrop or a log wall image, you will not face it that much. See, if you look over here now, guys, you will see it, this edges. Then you also come up with the calculator option. You can see it goes ahead and calculates things very properly. The touch response is also good. So let's do 15 plus 15. It's accurate. 30. Next, flashlight. If you need to turn the torchlight on, you will be able to do it from here as well. Now next is settings, which I've already explained to you. So overall, guys, this is not a bad watch. I quite like it. So this is how it looks. So this is quite how it looks in the hand, guys. You can see it. It's not bad. If you need to adjust it, you can adjust it. I've gone for the metallic gray variant, guys. Now let me show you one more thing, which is very important. Now let me tell you, guys, if you are going for this metallic black variant, then only, guys, let me show you, you will be getting the sides of the watch which will be black in color. If you go for the silver variant, then the body of the watch over here, it's going to be in silver color. Only the black variant. I like the body to have a black color over here. The variant, I like that most, so I've gone for this one. Because if you're using some other straps, if you have a black body on the watch, this will look good. So, and I've got some other straps as well, which I will show you in some time. Also, guys, now let me just quickly show you how the charger works. You just connect it over here. This is the charging animation, guys. Is it worth going for this watch? If you personally ask me, I will go for this watch. This watch comes with great features. It's available at a very introductory price of 3,200 rupees only. Now this is, as you can see, it looks good. You can change the length of the strap. They have also give you the instrument how you can change it. It's very simple. Now 3,200 for this watch, I will say it's a thumbs up from my end. Yes, you can go for Noise ColorFit Ultra 3. It's a good watch. The interface is good. Now let me tell you guys, this watch, it does not quality wise, it doesn't compromise anything. Noise has its own application as well, guys. Also, let me tell you, the interface is really good. The look is sharp. Comes with a 300 mAh battery. The feel of the watch is good. The sensors are not cheap quality sensors. The sensors do work. If you put a pillow or if you're putting it on a table, nothing will, the heart rate monitor will not work. You will get an error. So overall, it's a good watch. Yes, you can go for it. Now with that, guys, we come to the end of today's video. So it's a thumbs up from my end. I would suggest Noise ColorFit Ultra 3. You can go for this watch, guys. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Let's Review with Krish. Hit the like button, hit the bell icon so that whenever a video is uploaded, you get notified, and share these videos with your friends and family members also. Comment below, guys, whatever review videos you want to see. If there's any questions that you guys have, anything in detail you want me to explain you furthermore, please put it on the comment, and I or my team member will get back to you with those things.